Merry Christmas everyone and Happy New Year. But anyway, enjoy the video. I'm going to make an openings to the Santa Claus from 1984 by Toyota and Honda. A Charlie Brown Christmas from 1987 by Disney Television Animation. Shrek the House from 1955 by Disney and Pixar. Home Alone 2 Lost in New York from 1976 by Greenwich Pizza. Pokemon Pikachu's Winter Vacation 2 from 9999 by 100th Century Fox. Real not fake, 5 hours later. Yes. I make this openings. There are real not fake.
Ronald, did you make some openings?
Yes.
Let me see. Ronald, those openings are fake. The Santa Claus came out 1994, not 1984, and it's made by Disney, Hollywood Pictures, Outlaw Productions and Buena Vista Pictures Distribution, not Toyota and Honda. Besides Toyota and Honda, it's not movie studios, it's a car companies. A Charlie Brown Christmas released 1965, not 1987, and it's made by Lee Mendelson Film Productions, Bill Melendez Productions, CBS, and us, not Disney Television Animation. Besides, Disney Television Animation didn't exist until 1990. Shrek the House came out 2007, not 1955, and it's made by DreamWorks, ABC, not Disney and Pixar. This movie not came out VHS, and Shrek wasn't invented until 2001. Pixar didn't exist until 1986, and first Disney and Pixar movie came out 1995 and called Toy Story. Home Alone 2 Lost in New York came out 1992, not 1976, and it's made by 20th Century Fox and Hughes Entertainment, not Greenwich Pizza. Besides Greenwich Pizza, it's not movie studio, it's a restaurant. Home Alone movie didn't exist until 1990. Pokemon Pikachu's Winter Vacation 2 came out 1999, not 9999, and it's made by Creatures, Fay International, Game Freak Incorporated, Junior Kikaku, MI, Nintendo, Pikachu Project 00, Show Pro, Shogakukan, Studio Cosmos, Studio Jack and TV Tokyo, not 100th Century Fox. Besides 9999, it's a distant future year. Because now is the year 2024. Otherwise, this series is in Japanese. However, this series is also dubbed in English. First series was released 1998 and closed in 2000. That's it. You're grounded until February. Go to bed right now. No Christmas and Happy New Year for you.
Okay, fine. Whatever.